GFCI outlet just did a little, I tried to reset it, it did like a little click there, but it didn't reset, so that was interesting. Plug this in. This is so hard. This outlet is so back here. It's like I gotta clear more space to like plug it in. Why is this outlet just not working? Guys, this outlet is not working. This is not good. Well, I think this is the first time in one of my videos that an outlet failed. But since those two are connected, I was plugging it into a normal outlet because this GFCI is connected to that, so we'll just test this GFCI. Why is so much stuff and I'm plugging in? Oh, there we go. Is this one normal? Okay, it's normal. There we go. Alright. We will do GFCI outlet here next. Whoa, what are you doing? Yeah, I have to unplug this. Yeah, we do. What was on the toilet? That was funny. Like, what is she doing? There we go. Reset. Why am I about to plug the tester back in? I'm plugging the light back in. Anyways, I think now we'll test the final outlet. But of course I'm not going to do the basement one because you know that there's that GFCI outlet down there is connected to the Wi-Fi, so I don't want to shut off the Wi-Fi. And the disappointing thing about this is that it's still not plugging in. Okay, there it is. There we go. Now we can reset it. I'm trying to reset this. Okay, guys, I have to put the camera down, sorry. That outlet took some pressure to reset. Okay, guys. This video is going to be titled Testing All GFCI Outlets with Tester. So hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.